In the meantime, the grounds on which the most lionized and adored monument to the country's beloved national hero stands is so spacious, it affords multi-family gatherings and picnics on weekends. But Rizal Park or Luneta fills up to the brim with thousands on Christmas Day to rest, relax, and repass, as our Harley Valbuena reports.
Couple Junifer and Janet have been together for the last 22 years. But it is their first time to spend Christmas in Luneta Park.
Parami ba naman? Kayo lagi lang sa bahay.
Bibili lang, kakain, ganun, gagala.
The family of Rolando and Jocelyn, meanwhile, came all the way from Bicol for their annual visit to Rizal Park.
Taga Burias Island kami. Dumayo lang para mamasyal dito sa Rizal Park.
According to the Luneta management, 100,000 people are expected to flock the national park this Christmas Day, which can shoot up even more, especially if the weather turns out good for the whole day.
Yun yung mga naging recent trends namin dito sa park. Pero tignan natin kung papalo pa ng 150 or 200 kasi the largest crowd that we had is around 200,000.
Because of the influx of people, vendors inside the park are also happy with the increase in their sales.
Lalo na po sa mga laruan po kasi yun po yung mga hilig ng mga bata. Kaya po malakas din po yung kita namin.
The Luneta management meanwhile reminds the public of the items prohibited inside the attraction.
Pinagbabawal natin yung mga babasagin ng mga bote, no? Tsaka even alcoholic drinks, matutulis na bagay, yan yung mga bawal sa park. And even with the picnic, no, sa pagpipiknik natin, pinagbabawal natin yung paggamit ng foil na pantakip. Bawal din ang butane and bawal din ang smoking sa loob ng park.
For this Christmas Day, Luneta is open to the public until 11 in the evening. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.